Hey guys, today we're setting up the Black Widow 1,000 pound motorcycle lift to see if it actually works for sport bikes in a home garage. I'll walk you through the setup and how it works once it's actually in the garage. Now, starting with the delivery, they called for an appointment a day before, which I thought was pretty cool. It arrived well packaged, and I had no issues at all with receiving it. No damage, no missing parts. Everything showed up exactly as it should. Unboxing was straightforward, all the parts included, and right away you can tell this lift is solid and well built. Now, full honesty, the lift itself is heavy. You're not casually picking this thing up and moving it around. But once it's on the wheels, it rolls easily, which makes positioning in a garage much easier than you would expect. So, before assembling anything, the first thing you want to do is to make sure the lift is level. It has adjustable leveling feet, which helps a lot since garage floors, they're never perfectly flat. We used a level here, made a small adjustments, and once it was flat, we were good to go. The lift uses the hydraulic arms to raise and lower the platform. Now we move into the main assembly, the front wheel stop plate and the wheel chuck. This part takes a little time because you're bolting everything down and down in a position. Both the wheel chuck and the stop plate are adjustable, so you can set them up based on your tire size and wheelbase. Once positioned, everything tightens down properly, so the front wheel sits exactly where it should and stays locked in place. Tools we used, nothing complicated. We used a 17 millimeter wrench, 17 millimeter socket, and a torque wrench, and of course, the level. These are used to secure and torque the front wheel stop and the wheel chuck once everything is adjusted. Tighten everything in, and you're good to go. Before putting the bike on, cycle the lift up and down about 10-15 times. Why? To get the hydraulic fluid moving. Once it's raised, always install the safety bar. This locks the lift in place and takes the pressure off the hydraulics. Using the removable ramp, this Ducati 1098 rolls up smoothly. The front wheel drops right into the wheel chuck and locks into place. Once it's in, the bike feels stable and planted. Now, with the front wheel locked in, we move to the rear. This 1098 has a single-sided swing arm, so we're using the Pitbull rear stand. The stand lifts the rear wheel, keeps the bike level, and adds extra stability and security. At this point, you can work on the bike as is. Now, if you want extra stability or security, you can also use ratchet straps. The lift has a built-in tie-down hooks underneath, so it's easy to secure the bike. Ratcheting it down is optional, but it adds extra peace of mind, especially if you're working on the bike for longer period of times. And just like that, the lift is ready to go. We are ready to work on the bike. Everything feels solid and stable. Definitely sport bike approved. I've got the link in the description if you want to check it out. I'm Liz with VuduMoto Garage. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more garage and sports bike content.